solutions, but it's also
well, rebuilding the old work shed back here, which has greenhouse panels, that was built almost 9 months, about 7 months before my first child was born, back in 1987. And getting a rebuild. It's going to go, it goes up almost 10 feet, 8 feet here and 10 feet in the back, and it's going to go 12 feet down, swoop at 11 feet. That's going to be the new build out. And I got to get it done because you can see the clear skies and you can see the fog coming in from the Golden Gate Bridge. And so the Golden Gate Bridge is right over in that direction, right over there, and you can see the fog rolling in over the hills there where you could barely see the houses. And over there is the Pacific Ocean, and over there is downtown San Francisco. And you can see the Salesforce building, and I think you could see the leaning building that's in the news about San Francisco's leaning building that wants to fall over, that people talk about. And this roof is going to get converted over, all the solar. So by putting this white coating on this roof, I dropped the attic temperature by nearly 40 degrees in the summer, so it no longer gets hot in the house just by putting this white coating on. This and this are coming out. These are old stoves, wood burning stove that used to be here, a gas stove. Oh, this is for the downstairs vent. No, this is for the water heater vent. But these are coming out. That's going to come out, and that one's going to come out. This is all going to be solar cells here, and it's going to power that 9,000 BTU LG heat pump. That the head is going to be sitting right in this hallway. This is the stairway coming up. So there'll be the 9,000 BTU head is already mounted down there, and it'll throw that cast of hot or cold air down this hallway that goes into this bathroom. The door is just a little off to the left, so the heat will strike, or the cooling will strike, this wall. It will fill up this cavity area of the hallway, and there's a doorway right here where the heat will flow into for this bedroom. Then there's another doorway right here, and the heat that is up high that is coming off of that 9,000 BTU will go into this bedroom. It'll heat that one. It'll heat this bathroom. It will heat this kitchen, and it'll heat this living room, all from 9,000 BTUs. Something that you cannot do if you're in North Dakota at 20 below zero, because San Francisco's climate is so mild, or if you're in Texas and a heat wave at 115 degrees. But here in San Francisco, you can run a little 9,000 BTU off of solar and heat an entire top of a house off of 9,000 BTUs. It's easy to do, which you couldn't do anywhere else. I like San Francisco. Don't have freezing cold, don't have to shovel snow, and we break a sweat at 70 degrees. All right, guys, I'll see ya. That fog is coming. See you guys.